Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I transform this cabinet. This is a china cabinet buffet. The bottom part is called a buffet. And I actually bought the whole thing, the top and the bottom, for 25 bucks because it was being sold at an estate sale for $25. It did have some damage on it, which I tried to repair in this video. But yeah, I think the after looks really beautiful. I actually did this in 2021, and the reason why this video never went up is because I had some very life-changing things happen. Okay, but yeah, I'm posting it now. When I first saw the cabinet online, because that's where I saw it before I contacted the person, I looked at it and I just felt as though it had so much potential. And for them asking $25, if nobody bought it, they probably would have probably burnt it or junked it or broken it up, got rid of it. So I'm happy I got it. It did sit in the garage for some time, from I want to say from 2018 until 2021. And that's when I started working on the bottom part. The top part is still in the garage. I'm praying to God that it did not get all moldy and gross. But the bottom part, I definitely wanted to use this in the foyer of our home. So when you open the front door, this is the first thing you see. We used to have a bench here. I think I did make a video on that bench. But the bench is now in my daughter's room. They use it for storage for their books and art supplies. If you guys hear a child in the background, that is my new baby. She's now 3 years old. When I filmed this, she was only about 8 months old, or something like that when I filmed this. So yeah, it has been a couple of years, a few years, and I had postpartum hair loss going on in here. So if I look like I went through a lawnmower with my head, that is why, So it is what it is, joys of being a mother and a woman. But yeah, so any information you need as far as the chalk paint recipe, I'll put in the description box. I don't want to talk too much. Look at Jack. Look at Jack inspecting what I do. That's why I love my cat. He is such a good support. Sis, there, there are the new dogs. We have new dogs, by the way. There they go. There they go. Can you guys stop? But yeah. He's such a good support system whenever I'm doing anything with my hands, when I'm DIYing, painting, fixing, gardening, whatever it is that he sees that I'm like focused on and it's something that I have to do with, like, like I'm fixing or being creative or whatever. Jack is always very close by and watching and observing and probably inspecting all my work, like, yeah, this needs to be redone or whatever. Anywho, I'm going to put on some music from this point on because there isn't really much else I could tell you. Besides the gold that I use, it is spray paint, and I did spray it in a bowl to add all the detailing towards the end. And the brushes that I use are from the dollar store. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep watching. Make sure you like the video, and hopefully you like the outcome as much as I do. I did not add uh, a coating over this because I wanted the china cabinet to stay kind of like a matte finish. So that's totally optional. This is just for looks. It's not to be used as something we eat on. It's just for looks. It's just decoration. Anyways, like I said, please like the video. I'll truly appreciate that. And comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you very soon in another video.